Hello, my name is Philip Rulo with Rultract, and I wanted to address a situation that comes up from time to time regarding the lock knob on the Rultract gearbox. We get questions about the lock knob being seized in position or unable to tighten or turn. So this happens for two reasons. First of all, if you sterilize the equipment with this lock knob all the way in the opened or closed position, it might seize in that position because of the heat from sterilization. So when you get it back, it goes into the OR and they go to tighten it down, it won't turn. So what you would do in that case is you would just put it in a vise, take a wrench and put it on here and just slightly and carefully work it free, and then it will turn, and it will turn easily. The other situation that will cause this lock knob to not tighten or turn is if somebody tries to remove it. It's not supposed to be removed. So you turn it and you keep turning it, trying to remove it, and these cotter pins that hold it in place so it does not come out, because we don't want it to be removed, the cotter pins will start to bend up as you're pulling this out or trying to remove it. So the pins are bending up, and then you're going to try to tighten it. Well, the pins are now bent up and preventing it from tightening or even turning. If that's the case, this will need to be sent to Rultract to be serviced. So those are the two reasons why your lock knob is going to be stuck or seized in position.